Hello, welcome back to Gloria's and Kitchen. That is your mommy Mobi Biara Aquaba. Today we're making tomato fish stew. Tienne nearby bayani say ye bay fish fro. Let's start. So I had no me wame kube anwa coconut oil and I'm reuse fish and also my day me season the dough. My fish is already seasoned. So let's start. Made it some kakra egu oil nim. I added a little bit of flour in my oil to fry the fish. Say no yeah then yeah to yeah nami. I made it jene kakra egu oil nim for flavor, and also it gives that smell. It smells good. But we're gonna use the onion after, and it's not wasted. And I'm sure. So now no hano say no may oil onion ni na jene ni na efi oil nim, because I don't want it to burn. Me pese be show Saudi afro na ebeye nwinwin intin se ne aye na no dankasa betumi afa bi na waka hwe. Sweet onion. So let's finish frying the rest of the fish. Now we're starting our stew. Nti say no me de me na me de be fro no egu oil nim. Ya chew nam na wie. Me wa na me twitwa fresh, and then I added the one from the oil. Yeah. The one I fried the fish with. Ti me de me de chew fish ni na adding aka ho. So here I added ginger. Me the ginger can but what I have here is coriander, anise seeds, fennel seeds, cloves, and now I'm adding bay leaves. This is in we babe blending in an acid ground to powder it. Beautiful. She said, "Yeah, come. Never can you can keep it for the next recipe." So now no me the me jene na me blending me ginger no I'm adding all to my oil. Yep. The stew is stewing. Froye no. Froye. She says me de me tomato paste. Aka ho. Yep. Chick. The coconut oil no kakra. I needed a little bit more of my coconut oil, so I added some to it. We are almost done here. Now no, I added my fresh blended tomatoes. No, just say no. Me the me tomatoes me yummy no account. Say bejas is wa na mo ache kama. Okay, into spices now me blend now I added 1 tablespoon. This is my green spice or marinade. It was in the freezer. Now I added some rosemary. With the rosemary account. Green marinade no pesa who send now ya na my channel no so. But more than na you can because a bebo be brave. Now I added salt and curry powder. So rosemary, salt, curry powder. We are almost done here. Yeah, we froye nani. Since I so could bring your rice. Femo bra, fabayra bra. Ay. Now no, be the be fish no. I met you no. Nyina ayɛden ɛrehyehyɛm froya ya akɔnɔ na moma yɛnka meda mo nyinaa ase sɛ moda so kita channel yi mu Awurade nhyira mo no nkɔ so nya mo kɛse ɔnyɛ mo abisade mma mo and keep supporting your sister n'ani so bebree. Thank you for the love and your support. Oh, look at the stew. The stew is stewing. Who is coming? Bring food. Bring some food. Bring some food. Let's eat. Look at Chef Roy. Ah, it's a big movie. Charlie. Enya froye pa ne bayere bi a chese pon na bi hot. Ubu pona ni ma na fru chai. Ow. Me blessing with more fresh onion. Yes. So froye ya kona frone do konga nkasa wa hwe chance kra frone wom was swag. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, thanks for subscribing.